na jwa enkubia na mensaka video bi and I actually want to play with abai ehu video we ya. This is a village and I say krobia ewo Breman esukuma odoben brakwa na ekro no din de Mante ti ufri esukuma odoben brakwa fosuansa janhye honum na alcohol hoye Mante na se wo hwe video na ekwan no asay. I was wondering, say, na everybody saying a quite assay, and guess what? These people, almost say over 100% of people are producing Coca-Cola. 10% if with this particular town, and I say small town, honum. Now, she crampona, cocoa, matsi, ediashe bottom where they back coke, man, I say, or more they back other town, ababeton, and a cocoa in the canina, edgeria buffoon. And there is an MP. There is a friend is saying district MP who are home into who yet then don't these people vote? They do vote, right? Now a can say Ghana Hanum say no in Crony they are not benefiting from nothing when it comes to Impuntu Juma, when it comes to a friend is saying school, when it comes to life, these people are not benefiting it. And these same people too are voting. Almost MP and also almost sitting MP or that particular district. Hon Alhassan Kobina Ganza semintuni abo ni dini yi amofa nche me dini na no dodo na omo friend no Alhaji nti Alhaji misrewo eba ne sen e na wo constituency on road access a unkonkoye ni yi sa ekro we me according to whatever that I've gathered sa ekro we ekro a mampanin kufo akohonum da it's imagine say a crash sampling for we even JJ Rollins akohoda Ekufad recently too went there and mu na mu visited this town and up to date a quite no omon 5 friend is saying 1,000 goes here and the road is messy and na o shesa omo di cocoa ba different way and na cocoa car anyway ni na edregu from because a quite in here and see how are they supposed to a friend is saying contribute to Ghana. And I mean, say Ghana Hanum today, cocoa, no, one of our major resources, right? And these people are like over 100%, like I said. These people, like 10%, they produce cocoa. Omudia cocoa. A honum, oko honuma, a juma pomuya honum, farming. Now, omudia cassava, a kutu, whatever, name it, anything a farmer can lay his or her hands on. And omuya, how are they supposed to bring it to sell it? Not to say omuya a friend saying Dubai and I say when the time as no more harvest they should keep it in the normal anything like cocoa nimpo no want to be air farm by Everton. Please share video way, please everybody share this video because I want the MP. I'm sure say when you say road nicer because definitely of course Okohonum years ago and Oko pleading with the people there for votes. I am sure he did that. But a quina say no on who say on compare and you are a sitting MP. You should take care of your constituencies and a road is not something that should be left there. And who say cocoa I day by abaton cocoa she like this is really sad. It's Mr. Mamun share video where mamma na man penny na do dan kwekufado on the name na buying penny for and I said ni MPs no especially honorable Alhassan Kobina Ganza Michelle wa hu akona koye amano for mu kwan ne mo si afeti apem sad they are not going to vote again. Michelle mo yen ko share video number when you come back and continue.
Kwani baby ni o kwani no baby ani so de abowo ya ye if tricycle abowo ya hwe de o ye abowo ya ni nko na ko kwani baby ni look just look take a but I will show video but what is showing here. Just take a critical look at this. Just imagine. Just take a critical look. Where paint just just imagine. Where the wow show video, who show when you show there. Just take a look at it. 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 Ghana man, any idea? But as I can say, as a Obin Paso Becasa, but Yabaka, Messiah Yabaka, Yabaka, you say, Mammy, need your number, Mante. Take a look at this. Take a look. Take a look. I said, yeah, near the Hon Kubendia, near to Chadiago, near ISL Ramson. I Kubendia and a good one. Just take a look at it. Just take a look at it. Just take a look at it. A crown, Nipa Manamuso. I am it. I'm many, like, ya home swatch a fed a brosso. Bridging in Podiamenta. The best young time will be a young time will be a in an account on my home. Yes, sir. 24 minimum man, not anything. Seriously, it's too serious. 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 Yeah, bro, seriously. It's too much. It's too much. What's my phone? Samu. Sina question. Samu, you're quite din. You know, I find this Nanka, Coco, or Chief Aquine Sipa, Nanka. Abba. Coco, and a good man, the choir, Yana, Yadi. I'm too. I'm too.
The yes, not too bad for a year. Never for a fire.
I should submit me for one. I should submit me for one now. Until I see a question. Yeah. Hey, me is out. Buffer. I can't yet. Seriously. Savvy do it me for the seriously because. Coco, I did put on mining yan show. You can't ya didn't boban hobra. Now yan shut. I am too. But Ghana, I don't say, Cassa, say, oh, now the I see. I am too. You see, Cocoa, what they cool. A crown and Cassan, bridge cry what the fashion I can say, yes, safe. One bridge and Cassan, yes, safe. No, what the aqua so. Fine, wait up. Oh, and I done you. Nipamba. Mr. Nipamba. Obi Pry. Nika no bio. Ufia fu na oba. I prefer you not or the or probably not the time see now or the time be see a fancy. Mammy, I video. Hon
Alhassan and I'm doing with Mr. Subscribe my channel and my Xposed GH. Meeting Eden and Nigeria. Once again, Honorable Alhaji, go and fix my crown.
Oniado for dear no how a dear no adwendwen dear no kodana a dying and a wasie and a open chance in papa a day apostle and a dying with Timona since so to a nuno enuntia ma wona akwakoye bisi basa any and media sempa and natural things a be one more and some a day a master microphone in us to me canabra one more akache na one more MMS so how no and no and fa emma enunti for one more number it will screen no as soon as any one more in the air casual as a woman to my son intino adansi for one more atum natural things ana one more ejuma ed dance so na won't sika engu de biara eda.